Friday. Wow, yep. Today's Friday. It's 11:57 and I showered quite some time ago, but I just sat down to edit yesterday's vlog. Let me show you. I'm just busy editing yesterday's vlog and I just wanted to start today's one. I haven't had breakfast. I'll bring along for that. But yeah, happy first day of quarantine. Girl today. Yeah, I could get away with the makeup tutorial and this hair. Should we? We should. We should go eat is what we should do. So yeah, I just combed my hair, I just did my bed, you guys follow me. I think I'm gonna go ahead and eat because I'm not really done editing the video. And it has to go up today. I should probably do that and then go eat. Yeah, I think that's the game plan. So I'm gonna finish editing this video. I'm already 21 minutes in. So it's gonna be a long vlog, but it is the last day of freedom before the lockdown. So it's gonna be a long one. Okay, you guys, so I just finished editing. I just finished editing this video. This is yesterday's vlog. I'm going to encode it and upload it while I go downstairs and eat. But it's pretty late in the day. It's almost 2 o'clock. Yep. So I'm gonna go have my hot drink with the lemon slices in it, and then I'm going to have something to eat, but I have to upload this before I go downstairs. So hopefully I'll be downstairs by 3. Praying I'm downstairs by 3. So I just went downstairs quickly to make my hot water with lemon. I'm finished editing the video. Like I said, I need to encode it, which is gonna take a hot minute because it's about 26 gigs big. So I need to bring it down a lot, so it's gonna take a while to do that. So I think I'm gonna go downstairs and eat, but I really want to upload it as soon as it's done. So I might just take my laptop with me downstairs. And then I was supposed to make breakfast, but it's like it's 2:20. I think I'm just gonna eat last night's dinner as my lunch at this point. And then I will sit downstairs. The movie Contagion is playing right now, and I really want to go watch it. So I'm just gonna go. I did post about it on my Instagram. Posted telling people that it's playing right now. So yeah, I'm gonna go watch it. I'm excited to see because apparently it's extremely similar to what's happening right now. So if you are interested, you can look for it on DSTV or anywhere and just watch it, just to kind of, you know, see it from a different perspective. Yeah, let me just finish this video. I think I'm gonna take my laptop and go downstairs, honestly. My battery's flashing, so I'm gonna switch cameras really quickly. Okay, you guys, so I just switched cameras really quickly. This is the Sony a5100, but I am sitting down in front of the TV. I'm watching the movie Contagion, and my video is processing right over there. My vlog, yesterday's vlog. So I'm just gonna have something to eat after I drink my lemon water. But here's my food, let me show you. Okay, so here's the food that we're gonna eat, that I'm gonna eat. It's up with chicken necks and chicken gizzards. And yeah, that is the update for right now. It is, I think it's 2:30. Yeah, so I'm just gonna watch this movie and then I'll see what I do after that. It's 16:11 and we just finished watching that Contagion movie. It's something similar to what's happening right now, like extremely similar. But yeah, I'm just going to, so I just ate, you saw that. I'm gonna take that to the sink, refill my mug of water because I need to keep drinking fluids. So that's what I'm gonna do. Not much happening today. Not much happening today. Obviously, there's nowhere to go. My video is uploading onto YouTube. It actually should be done by now. So maybe I should go publish it now and then I don't have to worry about today's video. I already have a video for tomorrow, so I just need to worry about editing this. Okay, you guys, so it is 16:34. Okay, so I'm just creating a thumbnail for my video really quickly, but yeah, this cannot be enough content for one video. Anyway, so I'm glad today's Friday. I'm gonna upload this video, which is yesterday's vlog, and then I'm gonna take Saturday and Sunday off, and then Monday, while vlogging through Saturday and Sunday, I can give you maybe Friday, Saturday, and Sunday's vlog all in one. So yeah, I'm not gonna put too much stress on myself. I should start my assignment. That's probably the next thing. So I'm not really gonna be too hard on myself when I can't upload, or if I don't get enough content, or if I don't do something that gives me enough content. I'm just like, it's all chilled. This is real life. This is how quarantine is gonna go. We're basically being begged to stay home and do nothing. The video is 78% uploaded, so it should be uploaded by 5 o'clock. So I'm excited. Okay, so I just uploaded the video. It's done uploading. It is not made public yet, but yeah, I'm just waiting for people to respond on the Instagram poll that I just put up. So I'll decide, they'll decide rather, if they want it today or tomorrow, maybe Monday, you know. But I can't vlog downstairs because my sister's making the most amount of noise. She's on a video call or whatever with her friends. And like, why is she being so inconsiderate? Like, I don't understand. It's a little cold. Okay. This guy's literally messing up his whole. Let me watch some TV. I'll see you guys later when I do something interesting. Maybe tomorrow. Who knows? Hi everyone. So just a little check-in, a little update. As you can see, I'm sitting in the same spot I was sitting in earlier. It is 8:32. I'm just watching this show called Why Women Kill. Let me show you. Should we zoom you in? Okay. Let's zoom you in real quick. Yeah, that's the one. And yeah, a lot of people told me to watch it, like an insane amount of people. So here I am, actually watching it. It's actually pretty funny. Yeah, my hair's up. Means I've checked out of the day. I'll probably check in with you again tomorrow because the day is over today. I have a slight headache, but it's fading. So yeah, that's our day 1 of quarantine. Morning everyone. So it is Saturday morning, which is the time. It is 10:42. And I actually plan on filming a makeup tutorial today, and I still might. The weather's a little gloom and doom, but yeah, I still might film it. But yeah, I'm gonna go downstairs and have some breakfast, and then I'll come up and film this video. I actually think I want to do 3 today. Let's do that. Hi everyone, so it is a lot later on Saturday still. It is 5:30 and it's my day to cook actually, so that's why I picked up the vlogging camera. But I am gonna go downstairs and actually cook. But yeah, I'm just quickly exporting some footage from the 3 videos that I filmed today. Yeah, so we're gonna go downstairs and cook. You're gonna come cook with me, and then yeah, we'll pick up again tomorrow if anything interesting happens. Also, I did film this look, so yeah, if you haven't seen it already, it's coming, so stay tuned. Okay everyone, so it is 2020. How amazing. It's 2020. I'm still waiting for my chicken for the water to reduce enough. And then I have jam squash in the oven. The rice is done. I'm just having some dessert for dinner because I'm a rebel and I'm in quarantine and I'm allowed. Let me show you. Not those. I'm having this Madeira cake, the little loaf from Woolworths. 2 slices of that, and then some vanilla ice cream from Woolworths, which is really good actually. I really like it. I'm not a vanilla person, but this one's really good. It's that soft scoop one. Hi everyone, I'm sorry about the bad lighting. Oh, there we go. It's still bad, but it's not yellow, you know. Dinner is ready. Let me show you what I'm having. Okay, so in this mug, my mom made ginger ale. We call it khamer. She made that, and then I took that, put some turmeric and some cayenne pepper, and put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. And it's almost like a hot ginger tea. I'm just gonna add some lemon juice to it because I forgot to do that. And then here is dinner. We have jam squash here, and how I make this is I cut it in half, score it, and then put a little block of butter, a little, like a half a teaspoon of sugar, and then some nutmeg on top. And then I have a chicken piece, that's a thigh, and then rice. So yeah, that's dinner. I'm about to dig in. Let me just get this lemon juice, because I either do lemon juice or lemon slices. And lemon juice is pretty potent, so you don't need too much. And yeah, that's my dinner. I'm just gonna watch some YouTube videos, and it's 9 o'clock now, so we're having dinner pretty late. I'm just gonna have dinner and then I'm gonna go to bed because I'm super tired. I filmed 3 videos today, yay me. But yeah, I'm really tired. I just want to go to bed, honestly. So yeah, let me just have this quickly, and then I will see you guys probably tomorrow because I'm checking out here.